Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Brother printer software with iPrint&Scan, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Brother printer is properly connected to your computer or network. Next, navigate to the official Brother website. Select your country or region to access the appropriate. Enter your printer model number in the search bar and hit enter. From the search results, click on your printer model to open the product page. Locate the Downloads section on the page. Choose your operating system from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the iPrint&Scan software. Click the Download button to start downloading the software. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, selecting your preferred language. Accept the license agreement to proceed with the installation. Choose the connection method that fits your setup, whether USB or network. If you select network, ensure your printer is connected to the same network as your computer. For USB connection, connect your printer to the computer using a USB cable. Click Next to allow the software to search for your printer. Once your printer is detected, select it from the list and click Next. The installation process will begin, and this may take a few moments. After installation is complete, you will see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to close the installer. Now, launch the iPrint&Scan application from your Programs menu or desktop. You can now start using your Brother printer with the newly installed software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.